Thomas is a tank engine who lives at a big station on the island of Sodor. He's a cheeky little engine with 6 small wheels, a short stumpy funnel, a short stumpy boiler and a short stumpy dome. He's a fussy little engine too, always pulling coaches about ready for the big engines to take on long journeys. And when trains come in, he pulls the empty coaches away so that the big engines can go and rest. Thomas thinks no engine works as hard as he does. He loves playing tricks on them, including Gordon, the biggest and proudest engine of all. Thomas likes whistling rudely at him. Wake up, lazy bones, why don't you work hard like me?
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for being here at the Wellingham District Locomotive Society here at Hall Basic Cars. I'm here for their end of season gala. So they've got steam running, they've got diesel and electric running, but obviously I'm here to see a very certain tank engine. So yeah, join me as I take you around the Wellingham District Model Engine Society's end of season gala.
But have you been round the whole track?
I took a walk around earlier.
But it's just a new design that I've done. It's cool. It really is. And what we'll do is get the old sound on.
So yeah guys, this was the main reason I wanted to come back down here today. So you've got Palmerston, although he looks very, very similar to a certain popular character from the Railway series. So yeah, it was actually built by Tim. It's all 3D printed, little 060, and it's really, really nice, I have to say. All the lining there, so you've got the handrails, all the lining around the cab windows, and the face is done to a very, very high standard, I have to say. But yeah, I would say it more looks like Percy actually from the face. But yeah, really, really nice. And bonus for coming down here today as well is that I'm actually going to take Palmerston, or let's just say Thomas, for the sake of it. And I'm actually going to be taking Thomas around the track for a drive. So yeah, join me as the Cheeky Engine drives the Cheeky Engine. we have to say that was fantastic. Like I say, driving around Palmerston, or should I say Thomas, just round here, the track at the Wellingham District, Junior Society, really nice level track. And like I say, Palmerston got some power to it, really gave it a push. But I've also been told I get to drive the Class 20 around. I think it's Prancer for today. All the engines are actually named as one of the reindeers, obviously because it's the Christmas sort of time that they're doing it, the Christmas special being the last day of the season. Yeah, so I'll drive around the Class 20, and then yeah, I think we'll just get some shots of the locos running around. Well yeah guys, that's my trip here to the Wellington District Model Energy Society end of season gala. Like I say, I was mainly here to drive Thomas around the track. Really great little engine, and I got to drive the Class 20. Huge thanks to Tim and everyone here for a really great afternoon. Really hope you enjoyed watching the Cheeky Engine drive the Cheeky Engine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.